Ever munched on a bag of chips or a candy bar and thought, first wonder where this came from? Well, buckle up, because the origins of some of your favorite snacks might just surprise you. From the battlefields to your breakfast table, today's snacks have a secret past tied to military rations. Imagine, the crunch of your favorite chip might just echo the footsteps of soldiers marching through history. Stick around, because we're about to take a delicious detour through time, uncovering the fascinating stories behind the snacks you love. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at your snack drawer the same way again. Origins of military rations. How armies needed durable, portable food. Army food has always been about practicality. Soldiers need energy, and they need it fast. They can't stop to cook a meal, so their food has to be ready to eat. This is why armies have always looked for durable, portable food. The idea is simple: food that doesn't spoil easily and can be carried around without much hassle. Think of it like a modern-day energy bar, but for soldiers on the move. This need for portable food has driven innovation in food preservation and packaging. It's not just about keeping soldiers fed, it's about keeping them fighting fit. The concept of military rations has evolved over time. Initially, armies relied on whatever was locally available and could be carried. This often meant hardtack, a simple type of biscuit or cracker that could last for years. It's not exactly gourmet, but it's filling and doesn't spoil. Other staples included dried meats, cheeses, and grains. These foods were chosen because they could withstand the rigors of travel and the elements. They were the original fast food, designed for soldiers who needed to eat quickly and move on. The focus was on durability and portability, not taste or variety. As armies grew and campaigns became more complex, the need for organized rations became clear. This led to the development of standardized military rations. The goal was to provide soldiers with a consistent, nutritious diet that could be easily distributed. This is where the idea of pre-packaged meals came into play. The food had to be lightweight, non-perishable, and easy to prepare. It's a tall order, but one that has driven significant advancements in food science. From vacuum-sealed packages to freeze-dried meals, the military has been at the forefront of these innovations. These developments have not only benefited soldiers but have also trickled down to civilian life, influencing the types of snacks and convenience foods we enjoy today. Early preservation techniques, salting, drying, and emergency innovations. When European settlers arrived in America, they brought with them basic preservation techniques that would later influence modern snacks. Salting was one of the most common methods. It involved covering food, often meat, with salt to draw out moisture and prevent bacterial growth. This process made food last longer, especially during long journeys or harsh winters. Salted meats like bacon and ham became staples in military rations. Over time, these salted meats found their way into civilian diets, leading to the creation of snacks like beef jerky. The process of salting is still used today, not just for preservation but also for flavor enhancement. Drying food was another crucial technique. It removed moisture from food, making it lighter and easier to transport. Dried fruits, vegetables, and meats were common in military rations. For example, dried apples and apricots were often included in soldiers' packs. These dried fruits provided essential nutrients and energy. The concept of dried fruits as snacks has persisted. Today, you can find dried fruits in various forms, from trail mix to granola bars. Even modern beef jerky is a direct descendant of this ancient preservation method. The simplicity and effectiveness of drying make it a timeless technique. Emergency innovations often arose from necessity. During times of war or scarcity, soldiers and civilians alike had to get creative. One such innovation was hardtack, a simple type of cracker made from flour, water, and sometimes salt. It was durable, had a long shelf life, and could be easily carried. Hardtack became a staple in military rations. Its durability and simplicity made it a reliable food source. Over time, hardtack evolved into modern crackers and biscuits. The basic ingredients and simple preparation method remain similar. This shows how emergency innovations can lead to long-lasting food trends. These preservation techniques were not just about survival. They also laid the groundwork for many of the snacks we enjoy today. Salting, drying, and emergency innovations like hardtack were practical solutions to real problems. They ensured that food could be preserved and transported efficiently. Over time, these methods influenced civilian diets and led to the creation of modern snacks. The next time you enjoy a piece of beef jerky or a granola bar, remember its military roots. These snacks are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of those who came before us. Foods invented specifically for wartime, items designed for soldiers only. During the chaos of wartime, necessity became the mother of invention, particularly when it came to feeding soldiers. The military needed food that was lightweight, durable, and could withstand harsh conditions. This led to the creation of some of the most iconic snacks we enjoy today. One of the most notable examples is the energy bar. Originally developed to provide soldiers with a quick, nutritious boost, these bars were packed with calories, protein, and essential vitamins. They were designed to be easily carried and consumed on the go, making them perfect for the battlefield. Over time, these military rations evolved into the energy bars we see in stores today, catering to athletes, hikers, and busy professionals. Another wartime invention that found its way into civilian life is instant coffee. Soldiers needed a quick and easy way to get their caffeine fix, especially in remote or harsh environments. The military developed a process to dehydrate coffee, making it easy to transport and prepare. This innovation not only kept soldiers alert but also laid the groundwork for the instant coffee industry. Today, instant coffee is a staple in many households, appreciated for its convenience and quick preparation. It's a testament to how military needs can drive consumer trends. Freeze-dried food is another example of military innovation that has become a modern snack. The process of freeze-drying involves removing moisture from food while preserving its nutrients and flavor. This technique was initially used to create lightweight, non-perishable meals for soldiers. The result was food that could last for years without refrigeration, making it ideal for long missions. Today, freeze-dried fruits, vegetables, and even entire meals are popular among campers, astronauts, and anyone looking for a long-lasting food option. It's a perfect example of how military technology can trickle down to everyday life. The military also played a significant role in the development of ready-to-eat meals, commonly known as MREs. These meals were designed to be self-contained, requiring no cooking or preparation. They included a variety of foods, from main dishes to desserts, all packed in durable, lightweight packaging. The convenience and versatility of MREs made them a hit not only with soldiers but also with outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness communities. Today, similar ready-to-eat meals are available for civilians, offering a quick and easy food solution for those on the go. It's a clear example of how military innovations can meet civilian needs. Transition from battlefield to factories. How companies repurposed military recipes. The need for portable, non-perishable food during wartime led to the development of many unique recipes. These recipes were designed to provide soldiers with the energy and nutrients they needed in challenging conditions. Companies later saw the potential in these military rations and began repurposing them for civilian consumption. The transition from battlefield to factories was a natural progression, driven by the demand for convenient, tasty, and long-lasting snacks. One of the most notable examples is the energy bar. Originally developed as a high-calorie, compact food source for soldiers, energy bars were designed to provide quick energy during intense physical activity. Companies like Cliff Bar and Power Bar took these military recipes and transformed them into popular snacks for athletes and health-conscious consumers. They added flavors and nutrients to make them more appealing to a broader audience. The result was a market filled with energy bars that catered to various dietary needs and preferences. Another example is the instant mashed potatoes. Developed as a quick and easy food source for soldiers, instant mashed potatoes were designed to be lightweight and easy to prepare. Companies like Idahoan and Bob Evans saw the potential in this military recipe and began producing instant mashed potatoes for civilian consumption. They added flavors and ingredients to make them more appealing to a broader audience. The result was a market filled with instant mashed potatoes that catered to various tastes and preferences. The repurposing of military recipes for civilian consumption was not limited to food. Companies also saw the potential in military-developed technologies and ingredients. For example, the use of freeze-drying technology, originally developed for military rations, was later used to create freeze-dried fruits and vegetables for civilian consumption. This technology allowed companies to produce lightweight, long-lasting, and nutritious snacks that were convenient for consumers. The result was a market filled with freeze-dried snacks that catered to various tastes and preferences. The transition from battlefield to factories was a natural progression, driven by the demand for convenient, tasty, and long-lasting snacks. Packaging innovations. How tins, pouches, and bars shaped modern snacks. Tins revolutionized food preservation and portability. Before tins, food was often preserved using methods like salting or drying, which could alter taste and texture. The introduction of tin cans allowed military rations to be preserved for longer periods without significant changes in quality. This innovation was a game changer for soldiers on the move, providing them with a reliable source of nutrition. The durability of tins meant that food could withstand rough handling and harsh conditions, making them ideal for military use. Over time, this practical packaging found its way into civilian life, paving the way for modern canned snacks. Today, tins are used for everything from tuna to cookies, offering convenience and longevity. Pouches, or retort pouches, were a later innovation that built on the success of tins. These flexible, lightweight containers are made from layers of plastic and foil, providing excellent barrier properties against oxygen, light, and moisture. This means that food inside stays fresh for a long time without the need for preservatives. The military adopted pouches because they are lightweight and easy to carry, reducing the burden on soldiers. Moreover, pouches can be designed to be resealable, allowing for portion control and reducing waste. This feature has been particularly appealing to modern snack consumers, leading to the popularity of pouch snacks like fruit cups, puddings, and even ready-to-eat meals. The convenience and practicality of pouches have made them a staple in both military and civilian life. Bars have a unique history in military rations. Initially, they were designed to provide a compact, non-perishable source of energy for soldiers. The first energy bars were quite basic, often made from a mix of grains, nuts, and dried fruits. However, as food science advanced, so did the composition of these bars. Today's military bars are packed with nutrients, designed to provide sustained energy and meet specific dietary needs. This innovation has trickled down to the civilian market, where energy and protein bars are now a common sight. These bars cater to a wide range of dietary preferences and needs, from vegan to high-protein options. The military's need for portable, nutritious food has driven significant advancements in bar technology, benefiting everyone from athletes to busy professionals. The impact of these packaging innovations extends beyond mere convenience. They have shaped the way we think about and consume snacks. Tins, pouches, and bars have made it possible to enjoy a wide variety of foods anywhere, anytime. This has led to a shift in snacking culture, with people increasingly opting for portable, ready-to-eat options. The military's need for practical, durable packaging has driven significant advancements in food technology. These innovations have not only improved the quality and variety of military rations, but have also enriched the civilian snack market. From tins to pouches to bars, these packaging solutions have truly shaped the modern snack landscape. Psychological needs of soldiers. Why high-energy comfort snacks were created. Soldiers face immense physical and mental challenges. The stress of combat, long hours, and harsh conditions can take a toll. High-energy snacks were developed to address these psychological needs. They provide quick energy boosts and a sense of comfort. This is crucial for maintaining morale and focus. The military understood that food is more than just fuel. It's a source of comfort and familiarity. Soldiers often miss home-cooked meals. Snacks like MREs, meals ready to eat, include familiar flavors. They remind soldiers of home. This psychological boost is just as important as the nutritional value. Comfort snacks also help with stress management. High-pressure situations require quick thinking. A quick, tasty snack can provide a moment of relief. It's a small break from the intensity. This can improve decision-making and overall performance. The military recognized this early on. Moreover, these snacks are designed to be easy to carry and consume. Soldiers often don't have time for a full meal. High-energy bars, nuts, and dried fruits are convenient. They can be eaten on the go. This practicality is key. It ensures soldiers stay energized without disrupting their duties. Post-war commercialization, when armies sold or licensed the formulas. After the turmoil of war, armies found themselves with surplus supplies and innovative food technologies. These weren't just any foods. They were designed to be lightweight, nutritious, and durable under harsh conditions. Soldiers had grown accustomed to these convenient, tasty treats. It made sense to capitalize on this. Governments and military contractors began selling or licensing the formulas to civilian companies. This transition from battlefield to supermarket shelf gave birth to some of the most beloved snacks we enjoy today. One of the most notable examples is the energy bar. Originally developed to provide quick, concentrated energy for soldiers, these bars were packed with nutrients and calories. When the military licensed the formula, companies adapted it for civilian use. They tweak the recipes to make them more palatable for everyday consumers. Today, energy bars line the shelves of grocery stores and gyms, offering a quick snack for people on the go. Brands like Cliff Bar and Power Bar trace their roots back to these military rations. Another classic example is instant coffee. During wartime, soldiers needed a hot, energizing drink that was easy to prepare. Instant coffee fit the bill perfectly. It was lightweight, quick to make, and provided a much-needed caffeine boost. After the war, the military sold the formula to civilian companies. These companies saw the potential and marketed it to a wider audience. Today, instant coffee is a staple in many households, offering a convenient alternative to brewed coffee. The commercialization of military food formulas didn't stop at energy bars and instant coffee. Dried fruits and meats, originally designed for long-term storage and easy transport, found their way into civilian markets. Companies like Slim Jim and beef jerky brands capitalized on these formulas, creating snacks that were both tasty and long-lasting. Even MREs, meals ready to eat, inspired the creation of microwavable meals, which became a staple in many households. The innovation driven by military necessity continues to influence the snacks we enjoy today. Modern snack equivalents, examples of today's foods born from military needs. The military has long been a hotbed of innovation, and many of today's popular snacks have their roots in military rations. These foods were designed to be portable, non-perishable, and easy to prepare, meeting the unique demands of soldiers in the field. Over time, these practical necessities evolved into the snacks we enjoy today. One of the most notable examples is the energy bar. Originally developed as a high-calorie, nutrient-dense food for soldiers, energy bars have become a staple in gym bags and lunchboxes worldwide. Brands like Cliff Bar and Power Bar have taken the basic concept and expanded it, offering a variety of flavors and nutritional profiles to suit different tastes and dietary needs. These bars are now a go-to snack for athletes, hikers, and anyone needing a quick energy boost. Another military-born snack is the granola bar. The US Army's D ration during World War II included a dense, calorie-packed chocolate disc. This inspired the creation of granola bars, which combined oats, nuts, and sweeteners into a portable, non-perishable snack. Today, granola bars come in countless varieties, from chewy to crunchy, and are enjoyed by people of all ages. Brands like Nature Valley and Kind have made granola bars a mainstream snack option, often marketed for their convenience and nutritional benefits. Instant coffee is another example of a military innovation that became a modern snack. Developed to provide soldiers with a quick caffeine fix, instant coffee is now a popular beverage enjoyed by millions. It's often paired with snacks like cookies or pastries, making it a versatile addition to any snack time. The convenience of instant coffee has made it a favorite for busy individuals who need a quick pick-me-up. Additionally, the military's need for portable, long-lasting food led to the development of freeze-dried foods. These foods are now commonly used by campers and hikers, offering a lightweight and nutritious option for outdoor adventures. Brands like Mountain House and Backpacker's Pantry have made freeze-dried meals a popular choice for those seeking convenient and tasty outdoor dining options. And there you have it, folks. From battlefield rations to your local grocery store, these military-inspired snacks have come a long way. We've seen how MREs gave us beef jerky, how survival rations led to energy bars, and how even something as simple as a cracker evolved into the Ritz crackers we know today. It's amazing how necessity and innovation can turn something meant for the front lines into a pantry staple. So next time you're munching on a bag of trail mix or enjoying a granola bar, take a moment to think about its origins. Who knows? Maybe the next big snack trend is already being developed in a military lab somewhere. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of military foods, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite snack with a military background? We can't wait to hear from you and dive into more intriguing topics together. Until next time, stay curious and keep snacking.